What's going on, guys? This is Zell with MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com, where we encourage you to be your own star. And today is rehearsal day. Let's get it. We are back here at the lovely, the beautiful, the one, the only Wilmington High School in Newcastle, Delaware. We love it here. This place is awesome. They have everything already ready to go as far as the audio goes. They have 2 sets of JBL line arrays with the subwoofer combinations. The sound panel is right over there behind the curtain. We'll probably give you guys a behind the scenes. I will be running audio, so I'll be up there running all the sound, the spotlight, as well as the projector. And we have a few new toys for you guys today. Mr. Light It Up is on his way. He'll be running the lights. We're gonna have 4 up lights along the back here. Right where you see the projector screen coming down. As you guys can see, we've added some truss to our inventory. We've added a few more things that Mr. Light It Up is going to be bringing with him. We'll be putting truss totems on each sides of the stage, one on that side, one on that side. Each totem is going to have 2 movers, 2 moving headlights on them, and a few different wash lights as well. We have our 15-inch speakers up there that are going to be set stage right and left, stage left and right on the floor for the audience. And then we have 2 12-inch speakers up there that'll be set just like we did last year on the stage for monitors for anyone on the stage who's talking through a microphone and need to hear themselves. They're gonna have monitors to hear themselves. Mr. Light It Up, there is a light panel behind this wall. We might be able to show you guys that a little later. That's where Mr. Light It Up will be controlling the lights. So without further ado, enjoy this commentated time-lapse time, baby. Let's get it. Welcome back to another commentated time-lapse. So at this point, guys, you have not seen this process yet at this place because I'm officially 1 year behind on content, and I am so sorry. This is 100 pair to give times 3. We're definitely grateful to be here. Just like last year, we set up 2 house speakers, left stage, left and right. We set up 2 stage wedges, left and right. Mr. Light It Up is back there setting up our brand new truss totems. Those are 8-inch truss totems, and we have 2 movers and 2 wash pars on each truss totem. We have 4 up lights in the back, 2 on each side of the projector screen, and Mr. Light It Up will be backstage controlling all of the lights via wireless DMX transmitters, and he'll be controlling all of those on the Obey 40 light controller. We also have the spotlight, which will be up in the audio booth with me, and we'll be running everything as far as the spotlight goes from up there, and the projector as well as the audio. So here's how we wired up the audio to control it at the control room in the back. All right, guys, so we are finishing up the stage setup. As far as the audio goes, I pretty much have the cables ran. We're about to jump back there and give you guys the behind the curtain that I promised, show you guys the sound panels. All right, we have stage right, house stage right. We're gonna fix those wires, don't worry. And that is, a monitor, stage right monitor, stage left monitor, house left, and then we have the trussing and the new movers going up. As you see Mr. Light It Up doing his thing. So let's get back here. Let's see what we got. All right, this XLR here is daisy chained to our house speakers. No, they're not. No, it's not. Son of a bitch. Damn it. We're in the wrong one. I'll be back. Okay. So, issue. We daisy chained the speakers as I just showed you. But the XLR that I have going into the master speaker, I had going into the wrong speaker. So, here we are. I got the, here's where we left off. So, for what you guys can see, this is monitor 1, this is monitor 2, and then we have stage right 1, stage right 2, and stage right 3. Those are inputs for the stage right 1, 2, and 3. Monitor 1 and 2 here is what we need to hook into to get the audio from the board up there to the stage. So we'll go into monitor 1 there, and made it upstairs. We're in the control room. We had huge plans on using one of these spotlights. There's like 3 of them up here. I was told they're blown, so we'll see. But worst case, we'll be bringing in our own spotlight and putting it to use. What's going on, boss man? That was the boss, Randall Law, the client who hired us for this event, 2nd year in a row. We cannot thank him enough for having that trust and faith in us. We can only hope that we did the right job for him. So what I'm doing right now is powering up this Soundcraft board and trying to figure out why we're hearing the microphones in the house, but I'm not getting any signal. Here's what I figured out. The AV guy that I called, who's in charge of the AV here, tells me that they don't even use this board. He said it's been a long time since they've used this board, and a lot of their audio comes from down there at the sound panel that I showed you guys already. The microphones he gave me, I can't control those here because they're ran down to the sound panel down there. You can only control the volume of these microphones down there. So I'll be up here working all of this and the projector, making sure everything is good, while the microphones will just have to be, you know, set, like preset, and they're just gonna turn them on and off. Mic check, mic check, mic check. All right, now let's look at the board. Okay guys, check this out. These are the house speakers that are in the stadium. There we go. Okay, now what you guys are hearing is strictly the house. What I was just doing was getting the DJ's audio higher. I was giving him more audio on his channel. That way the house speakers and the monitor speakers don't have to run so hot. So, in order to do that, you can't really see, but you have to hit select, and then, you know, everything up here becomes a control panel for whatever you have selected. Like, as you can see, our house is running pretty hot, right? And these are just the house speakers. These are my speakers. Gotta go to mix 1 for those. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Huge difference, right? Turn the house all the way down. Those are just my speakers. All right, guys, I got the bull Jay with me.
What up?
Getting it in. All right. New spotlight. Like you guys saw already, we're at Wilmington. We're in the control room right now. We're about to get everything underway. Got the projector set up. That took a little bit of figuring out because the projector is, by standard in here, connected to an Apple TV box. So we had to get on the same Wi-Fi network. Luckily, we had the AV guy from Wilmington. We had our tech guy help us out with that. As you guys can hear, the DJ has just got started. He's at a good volume. I think I'll keep him there. We can turn him up though. We got a jam-packed day. Let's show you guys what we got going on here. Alright, Jay's gonna be handling the LED 200 watt spotlight. Alright. We got our iPad right here playing. Got our iPod playing, and as you guys can see, people are coming in. So as people pour in, we'll be going on with the show. Enjoy. Alright, so at this point, you guys can see everyone pouring in. I'm gonna play this clip for you guys and let you guys see a little bit of how the lighting was and a little bit of what we were controlling and doing.
Okay, I think it's a little louder in the middle. I need y'all to scream on this side. Make some noise, make some noise. Okay. Let's try it on this side. Make some noise. They might be winning and everybody's screaming. Hold on, cut that real quick.
With all of that, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for watching the video to this point. Don't forget to like if you guys like the video, of course. Subscribe for more content like this because I'm a year behind on our content, and I will be trying my darndest to get it to you guys ASAP. So, appreciate you guys again. See you in the next one.